Hello student, today we are going to discuss about class 9 physics NCERT example problem. It's 11th chapter, 4th problem we are going to discuss. Okay, actually the question is given initial velocity and final velocity and also mass is given. They asked what is a changing kinetic energy. Okay, now we'll see how to solve this problem. Okay, see here the question is given. It is 11th chapter 4th problem class 9 physics. Okay, the question is given initial velocity. The object start from 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, final velocity of the object 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, and the mass of the object also is given 1500 kg. Okay, this what is given in the question. They asked what is a change in kinetic energy. So changing kinetic energy, we can take it as a kinetic energy final minus kinetic energy initial. You can ask me one question, sir, why is initial why not is initial minus final? Because final is always greater than initial. Okay, that's the reason final minus initial. Okay, so final formula of m v square. Okay, initial formula of m u square. Okay, now the problem you should do with the SI unit only. Okay, here is not given as a SI unit. Okay, so first you should convert, then only you can do. Okay, of m is constant, you can take it off. M is a constant outside, v square minus u square will be inside. Okay, now it's going to be of times of 1500. It's a mass. Okay, v square minus u square. Okay, we don't know what is the SI unit, the correct value in SI unit. Okay, u is 30 kilometer. 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, first you should convert 30 kilometer to meter 1000. Hour to the second is 3600. Okay, meter per second. Initial velocity just I converted. Okay, final velocity is 60. Okay, so 60. So final velocity will have 60 km per hour. 60 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, meter per second. Okay, now we'll be doing with the formula changing kinetic energy is equal to half times of mass is 1500. Okay, final velocity 60 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, because 60 into 60 will be there. Okay, whole square. Same minus 30 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, I am doing the problem in is a meter per second. Okay, always you should follow MKS system, meter kilogram second. Okay, 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. Okay, so next here will be 600. Okay, this 0 will get cancelled. Okay, here will be 300. Okay, so of times of 1500. Okay, 1500. Here 600 by 36 into 600 by 36. Why, sir? Because square no, 2 times we should write. Okay, minus 300 divided by 36 into 300 divided by 36. Okay, so now if you want, you can cancel 6 tables. This is going to be 6 times, this is going to be 6 times. Okay, 100 divided by 6, 100 divided by 6, 1 by 2 into 1500. Okay, this is going to be 100 into 100, 1 2 3 4 0 will be there. Okay, 6 into 6 36. Okay, minus here also you can do the same thing. Okay, 3 tables. Here will be 3 tables, 1 12 will get. Okay, here also 12 will get 3 tables. Okay, here will be 100 will be there. Okay, 100 divided by 12 will be there. Again 2 tables I am cancelling, 50 divided by 6 and 50 divided by 6. Okay, 6 will be 36 as a denominator, 50 into 50. Okay, so 2500 will get. Okay, so next step what we can do now, just a subtraction we should do. 10,000 minus 2,500, denominator will be same. You can no need to take it as a again conversion. This cancellation 1500 divided by 2, exactly half of 1500 will have 7,500. It's going to be 1,500, 750. Okay, 750. Okay, inside here 1000 minus 250, 7500 divided by 36. Okay, this final calculation will get. Okay, if you are calculating this, you will get the answer 156,375 joules. Okay, I think this question book answer I wrote here. Okay, you calculate and write the correct answer. Okay, book answer in this case something it's wrong is there. Okay, please refer it. This multiplication you can use calculator to find the final answer. Okay, thank you.